Today I'm going to teach you two super easy Korean dishes using one of these vegetables. A daikon radish. One fun fact about these daikons, different sections of this vegetable have different characteristics and flavors. The top third is actually the hardest and the sweetest, so it's perfect for doing fresh dishes and salads. The middle third is sweet and crunchy, so it's good for cooked dishes. And the bottom third is high in water content and spicy, so it's kind of good for broths and soups. The more you know. And since we're doing two dishes today, I'm gonna first peel this daikon and chop it in half. Recipe number 1, ssam-moo. In Korean, sam means wrap and moo means radish. So it's basically wrapped radish. You use this dish to wrap things with, like barbecue, kimchi, rice, your pet, child, whatever, and eat. Ingredients include daikon radish, a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, a cup of white sugar, and a heaping tablespoon of salt. First, you slice this daikon radish into thin circular slices. Then place the slices into a heat-safe glass container. Bam! And you boil the rest of the ingredients together. Then just pour this boiling mixture over the radish. Done. Put this in the fridge when it cools down, because every time you put something super hot in the fridge, a cute AF baby seal dies. Sad. Next recipe. Recipe number 2 is called moo-saeng-chae. It's kind of like kimchi with radish, except you don't ferment it, so I guess it's like a spicy salad. But who cares? It's super delicious anyways. Ingredients include daikon, 2 spring onions, half of an onion, a teaspoon of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Oh, and Korean chili pepper. I totally forgot about Korean chili pepper. How could I forget about Korean chili pepper? First, Julienne the radish. Mix it all up with the salt and leave it around for 20 minutes. And while that's happening, chop up the spring onion, mince the garlic. Yeah. Girl, that is a lot of garlic. After 20 minutes, it should look something like this with flimsy radish. It's pretty salty, so we're gonna rinse this thing in water. Try to bring out as much water as possible. Now dump all the ingredients in. And as for the chili pepper, be cautious. More. Good. And mix it all up. Done! So good! We're also gonna try how this turned out. So good! That's it for today's kind of tutorial. Get yourself to an Asian grocery store, buy yourself a daikon radish, and try making these two super easy recipes. These go really well with pork belly. So I'm gonna go make some for dinner now. Bye!